So I had an expert digital marketer review Insider Prodigy to help me make more sales with the digital products I was selling. And there was two questions she asked me. Why am I selling a lot of digital products in the online business niche? And why don't I focus on one strong digital product? And my answer to the first question was that the reason why I'm selling a lot of products in the online business niche is that I want to make sure that I get a lot of money with the type of digital products that I was selling. Then my second answer to the second question was that the reason why I'm not focusing on one strong digital product is that I wanted to be the jack of all trades. Like if someone wanted to learn how to grow on YouTube, I am the person to go to. If someone wanted to learn how to grow on Facebook, on Instagram, or any social media platform, I'll be the person to go to. And she was like, stop doing that. Just unpublish your store and make sure that you're only selling one digital product. Just choose from all of the digital products you are selling, choose one, then be the go-to person in that type of digital product or that type of field one wants to go into. So I spent about maybe 5 to 7 days deciding on which digital product that I wanted to sell. And the digital product that I chose was the Faceless Marketing Masterclass Bundle. And the reason why I chose that digital product is because I have a lot of faceless YouTube channels that I'm running by myself and few Instagram theme pages that I also don't show my face. So I'm like, okay, I know how to monetize a small account, or I know how to build a faceless personal brand. So it can be a good initiative for me to sell that digital product on how to build a faceless personal brand using social media platforms. So me choosing that product, she was like, okay, you chose the product. Now unpublish inside a Prodigy and redesign your website to only cater for one specific digital product. So I did a few things to come up with ideas for the Faceless Marketing Masterclass bundle. And the first one was going to ChatGPT. So I gave ChatGPT a prompt. I'm like, based on the information you've provided, outline a one-page product website for these two digital products in which you will offer them as a bundle. So I just gave it a prompt. It's the Faceless Marketing Masterclass, then it's also the video upgrade. So as you can see, it says here's a suggested one-page website layout for bundling these two products. So it gave me the header section, an introduction section, what's included in the bundle, who's the bundle for, pricing and bonuses, FAQ section, and a footer section.
I also went to Perplexity.
I'm like redesign the outline of the website of the bundle because you are going to have a lead magnet ebook, which I'll get into momentarily, to not only collect your customers' emails and give them a free ebook, but also nurture them to buy the bundle. So here's the layout of the website that Perplexity gave me. The header section, hero image, lead magnet section, product description, benefits, testimonials, ebook, pricing, FAQs, urgency, visual elements, and footer section. And also what I did is that I went to Pinterest. So on Pinterest, I'm like one-page website layout designs or one-page website layout ideas. Then it gave me a bunch of templates and ideas that I can use to not only redesign Insider Prodigy, but also have a good looking website. So without talking too much, I'm gonna come over to my Payhip dashboard. I have made 0 sales this month because I stopped selling digital products. But besides that, I'm gonna come over here to store. I'm gonna come here to launch your store builder. And as you can see, I already said website under construction. We will be back soon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to time lapse me redesigning Insider Prodigy to cater for the Faceless Marketing Masterclass bundle, plus the lead magnet that I'm going to be using, and why I chose to design the website like this. And there's also a special announcement that I'm going to be revealing at the end of the video, so make sure you stick to the end because it's an offer that you can't let go of.
Always searching for now.
as you can see, these are the things that I added on the homepage. The header section is Master the Art of Faceless Marketing, and the sub headline is Build a Powerful Online Presence Without Ever Showing Your Face. But it's shorting a link right here, which I'm going to be linking these two products into one. So I'm going to come here to add new product, and I'm just going to select bundle. Then I'm going to bundle the two. So I'm not going to do it now, I'm going to do it in the time lapse. But going back here, the reason why I'm designing this website on the mobile version instead of the desktop version is because a lot of people use their phones. Not a lot of people buy products using their laptops. So that's why I'm doing this, so that it can be convenient for my potential client. The reasons for faceless marketing, then benefits of going faceless, then what's included in the bundle. So this is the first bundle, which is the ebook and the resources. Then the video upgrade, I'm gonna do it in the time lapse. So this is what's included in the bundle. We have the premium ebook, then we have the mind map, we have the checklist, and we have the resources. So yes, this is what I have so far, and if you can preview it in desktop mode, this is how it's going to look. And I know it doesn't look nice without the link here, but I'm gonna edit in the time lapse. So this is how it looks like on desktop. As you can see, it's really nice. I'm using my brand colors, by the way, which is a light grayish, white-ish, then this gray, then also the green. The green you're gonna see mostly on the buttons for the client to access or to buy the bundle. So yes, this is what I have so far. of black intense labor, here's what I have so far. So we are previewing the website in desktop format, and as you can see, I've already put the link on Join the Revolution. So if I click the link, it's gonna redirect the customer to buy the Faceless Marketing Masterclass bundle. But coming back over here, it says master the art of faceless marketing, build a powerful online presence without ever showing your face, then why faceless marketing, then the benefits of faceless marketing, then what's included in the bundle. So here's just a section where a customer will see everything that is included in the bundle. We have the ebook, we have a mind map, we have the checklist, we have the resources. Then when it comes to the video upgrade, we have the video upgrade itself. Then we have audio files for people if they do not have time to actually watch the video upgrade to learn step by step. They can listen to it on the go. Then there's a question, who is the bundle for? And the bundle is perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs, content creators, or anyone looking to build a brand without being in front of the camera. Then we have the bundle itself, which I'm gonna sell for $198. But as I said, I have a special offer for the people who are watching this video. Then scroll down, I have the FAQ section, then subscribe to the newsletter. Then also I have the free guide that I'm going to be offering as a lead magnet. So the free guide is designed to help you identify your brand identity, create a memorable logo, develop a consistent color scheme, and so on. Then I have the About Us section, just talking about what Insider Prodigy is about, our story, our mission, and why trust us. Then obviously is the contact section. So coming back to the home section, if I scroll all the way down to the bundle, when this video drops, there will be a sale from the 19th of November to the 29th of November, whereby you can get this bundle for 30% off of the original price. So if you can remove 30% from $198, it will be $139. Plus, there's going to be a discount code that one can use called Insider20, which I'll put down in the description, whereby it's going to give you an additional 20% off. So if you can buy the bundle during the sale, which is going to be a 30% off discount, plus use the code Insider20 at checkout, you're gonna get an additional 20% off. So you're gonna be buying this bundle for half the price. And please act quick, because the coupon code is only available to the first 30 people that are going to purchase the bundle. So please act quickly if you wanna get 50% off of the Faceless Marketing Masterclass bundle. But going back to the website, I'm also going to preview it in mobile version, because a lot of people shop using their phones and not their laptops. As you can see, it is nicely designed, it is mobile optimized, there's nothing that looks out of place, everything is tip top, and it's really pleasing to the eye. I hope you enjoyed this video watching me recustomize Insider Prodigy. And as I said, there will be a sale from the 19th of November to the 29th of November for 30% off. Plus, for the first 30 people who's going to use the code Insider20 will get an additional 20% off. So it's going to be a 50% off discount from the Faceless Marketing Masterclass bundle.
Oh, and I forgot to mention that my Faceless YouTube channel just passed 100 subscribers a few days ago, and I am really pleased that the channel is growing each and every single day, getting maybe like 5 to 10 subscribers each and every single day. Growing a channel like this is very tricky, considering how many channels are based around this particular artist, but I believe that my channel is going to be the best channel based around that artist.